Good morning, guys! It's Tuesday. Work kami today, pero I will vlog. Kasi after work, punta kami mag-grocery shopping kami, guys. And then I'll cook dinner as well tonight. So, medyo may mga ganap. Wala na, tapos na yung Bachelor in Paradise na show namin. So, hindi na kami manunood ng show sa gabi. So, wala nang masyadong ganap. And then, last night as well, nag-edit ako ng dalawang video. So, mamayang gabi hindi ako mag-edit. So, okay lang mag-vlog. Dadalhin ko sana to sa work, guys. Kasi, masarap to. Doritos siya na crackers. I think bago siya kasi introductory tama ba yung pag-pronounce? Introductory price, guys, is $1.75. And originally, mga $3 something siya. So, naka-sale siya kasi parang pa-introduce pa lang nila yung product ba and hindi nila full price muna para itry ng mga tao. So, na-try ko na yung cheese. Actually, yung cheese nasa bag ko na, guys. Nasa ilalim. And then, ito, dadalhin ko sana to. Kaya lang, hindi na siya magkasya sa bag. Yung bag maliit. But this is Texan barbecue. It's now 10 minutes to 8. And yung training ko starts at 8:30. Off to work we go. Medyo busy na, guys. Kasi, back to school na naman yung mga bata. And then, yung time din namin. Kapag 8 ka umalis, maraming mga bata, maraming sasakyan. So, traffic. Medyo traffic ng konti. So, shortcut kami. Shortcut tayo, babe? Yep, shortcut. Oh, babe, let's not forget our bags as well because we will go grocery shopping. Punta kami sa Asian grocery mamaya. Wala akong dalang lunch, guys, kasi may pa-lunch sa work. So, wait, pakita ko sa inyo yung Doritos na sinasabi ko. Ay, hala, may ibang snack pa pala ako dito, babe. Meron pa ako nito, oh. Yan, Snappies. Sarap to, guys. Kaya lang, sobrang konti lang nung laman niya. Yan yung sinasabi ko na Doritos na yung super cheese supreme. Masarap yan, guys. And mag-lip tint tayo. Okay. Ito yung shortcut, guys. Makikita nyo, maliliit yung mga daanan. Tapos na yung guys, shortcut. Traffic na ulit. Yung traffic sa kanila, wala lang sa akin to pero para kay Dan, traffic na to. In the Philippines, this is nothing. This is like
so like 11 o'clock at night in the Philippines traffic.
Yeah. Maybe 12. Yeah. 11 will still be busy. Especially during holidays. Because do you remember when you went, not last year, but the year before, from the city to home, it took us like 3 hours.
Yeah.
When I wasn't moving at all. Yeah, sobrang grabe ang traffic dun, guys. Especially malapit Pasko. Sa Cebu, traffic na din. Sa Manila, grabe din. Ay, naku. Siguro mga 10 minutes na lang nandun na kami. Iniiwan ko yung camera ko sa car ni Dan. Kasi hindi ko siya dinadala sa work talaga. Kasi hindi din siya magkasya sa bag ko. Guys! My beef, your belly. Can you breathe that? Papunta na kami sa Asian shop, guys. Naka-chanelas ako. Nagdala ko ng chanelas.
Look at this plane.
Kasi mas komportable. What?
Where the trees are, watch this plane go.
Plane? Oh, cool.
Oh, look at it. Look how skinny it is.
Yeah, well, babe, it's so far away.
No, it's not a normal plane.
It is a normal plane. What do you mean?
It doesn't look like a normal plane. It's too skinny.
Nah. How do you know about planes, babe?
I've seen a few multiple.
You've seen a few planes?
Yeah.
That far?
Yeah.
It's far, babe. Maybe it's just a long plane. That's why it looks skinny.
The birds.
The birds. Ooh, wow! Tingnan niyo yung birds. Ang dami. Grabe, naka-chill lang sila dun. Di sila lumilipad. Why are the birds not flying? Dito kami punta, guys. Asian grocery. Yan. Hindi ko mabasa pero sabi lang niya Asian grocery. Bili kami ng pork bun, kung ano-ano. Yung lista ko nasa phone ko. May mga chicharon sila, oh. Kaya lang makasalanan yung chicharon eh. Meron din silang salted egg dito. Salted egg ba to? Yeah, I think so. Anyway.
These are cheap ass. $2.
For eggs? Yeah, we need eggs, so might as well get some. Are they alright?
Yeah.
Oh, they're on special, that's why. That's why they're cheap. Yeah, kasi usually yung mga eggs, $3.50. Hala, balut! Balut, babe. This is balut. $1.70 each. See, the price of one balut is kind of like the same as the price of 12 eggs. Huy, what are you doing? This bihon. Oh, that's a lot, babe. Wait. Kailangan ko ng thick noodles para iba. Gaya kay Lyra. Yan, the thick noodle. Can you get that for me, please? Just one.
You sure?
Yeah, thank you. Wow, that's a lot. Do they have a small one? Yan ba yung pambami? No, I don't think that's the same. Is that the same? No, that's thin. This is thick. That one.
No.
Now I need the smaller one as well, like this one. Ito. Did you get chippy? Chippy, guys. 3 for $1. So $1 is like 45 pesos, is it? Or 40 pesos?
Yeah, about 40.
40. So tatlo, guys, 40 pesos.
Go on. Bring
In
it
the
up.
Philippines, that's like
Oh,
what,
you're right.
7 pesos? I
you're
already
right.
have a big
You
one.
don't have much
Did
stuff.
you get my big chippy? Where's oh, there. Okay. Are we good here? Okay na tayo dito, babe? Okay, yung pork bun ko
Is that
nandito.
it? Put once?
Is that it? Do you remember? You don't remember what it looks like?
Look at the photo.
Okay, where's the photo? Asan na yun? Hala, wali. May durian sa ilalim, oh. There you go, babe. I want the shrimp paste. Let's get the big one. Can you grab that for me, please? The big red one. Check the date as well, please.
Yeah, 2019.
Thank you. The big onion or this, just the single? What do you think?
Just get a single onion. How much is? Yeah.
And then cabbage, carrot. Are you right? Ito yung mga meat, guys. Bili kami ng pork ni Dan. Ooh, is the what are we getting? Do you wanna get balut?
Yeah, definitely.
Do you wanna get one? Do you want me to get one?
Oh yeah, I love one.
Seriously? Do you want me to grab one?
I would love one.
Will you eat it?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Shut up.
Get 5.
Seriously, do you wanna?
Hey, babe.
Tapos na kami, guys, pag-shopping. Tatawagan ko lang yung aking laser clinic. Ipapa-reschedule ko yung aking booking. Kasi si Dan bukas, ano daw, medyo late niya daw ako ipipick up. So, instead of Thursday, kasi nakaschedule ako Thursday eh. Ooh, shit. Oh my gosh, babe.
Relax.
That car is a savage.
That one?
Yeah, the van.
Yeah, he's not messing around, is he?
Oh my gosh. He almost hit this one. He almost hit this car. Hi there. Just looking at rescheduling my booking, if that's alright. I am booked on Thursday at... If you have the same time available tomorrow, I will take it if you have one. 4:35? Yeah, that's great. Thank you. Beautiful. See ya. Bye. That works out great then.
Yeah.
You will pick me up around 5?
Yeah, of course.
Sige. Show them how I drive.
How you drive?
How I drive.
Let me stop first. Let me go forward a bit. Should we go around?
Sige.
Where's your glasses?
Do you need my glass? Now I can't see. I don't drive like that. That's
You like right forward like this.
It's not by choice.
And you wear your glasses like this, just hanging off your nose.
No, I don't do that.
Yes, you do.
It's oh yeah.
Out of that.
Look po. Giganahan sa buang ay. Mas guwapo. Mas buang. Bahay na kami guys. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga binili namin sa Asian shop. So, bumili ako ng Moby. Alam ko magugustuhan to ni Danny kasi chocolate. And then, patata, crispy patata. Yummers din to babe. Bumili ako ng mga snack guys. Ito, buttercream crackers. Yan. Maganda itong mga ganito, yung may sariling packets para dalhin sa work, snack. And then, magpapansit ako one day guys. So, bumili ako nito. Para sa bami. And then, bihon. Naghanap ako ng maliit na ganito, kaya lang wali. So, yan lang. And then, shrimp paste. Yung gusto ko is yung Barrio Fiesta na, red na siya guys. Spicy. And then, chippy na red. Yummers. And then, ito yung ulam namin mamayang gabi. So, bihon. Miswa. Yan. Lagay natin yan dyan. So, nakita niyo naman kanina, bumili kami ng eggs. Yan, kasi wala na kaming eggs. And then, bumili din ako nito coconut cream kasi magluto ulit ako ng ginataang kalabasa, guys. And then, bumili ako ng 2 sardinas para sa ating miswa tonight. I think I will only use 1. Ito, para sa ating ginataang kalabasa. Okra, para sa ginataang kalabasa. And then, I got this Skyflakes. Kasi, again, maganda siya pambaon sa work. And then, Magic Creams. Ito, hindi ako mahilig sa peanut butter, pero si Dan gusto niya i-try. Pork bun. Hindi ito yung exact brand na gusto ko, pero ito lang yung natira dun eh. And then, bumili ako ng pork belly. Yung malaking pero pina-cut ko siya into strips, 6 strips, tapos nilagay niya sa 3 plastic. Ito, cabbage para sa pansit. And ito para sa ating ginataang kalabasa. Konti lang. Pero okay lang yan. Okay. Yung lulutuin ko is miswa. Okay guys, ilalagay ko na yung onion at saka yung garlic. Now, ito sobrang naku-confuse talaga ako dito. Kasi kapag inuuna ko yung onion, may nagsasabi na dapat unahin yung garlic. Kapag naman inuuna ko yung garlic, may nagsasabi dapat unahin yung onion. Ay, tama. Oo nga. I'm so confused, people. Ngayon, sinabay natin sila. Sinabay natin sila. Okay lang yan. Okay, now i-add natin yung sardinas. So, Ligo sardines to guys. Ito lang kasi yung sardinas na meron dun sa Asian shop. Lutuin natin yan. Some people, hindi nila binibreak, pero binibreak yung sardinas guys. Lalo na, meron tayong Danny Boy. Sana hindi niya tumaamoy guys. Akala niya kasi, lalagyan ko to ng pork belly. Kasi yun yung meat na binili ko kanina. Sabi niya, bakit hindi mo i-prepare yung pork? Sabi ko, hindi naman ako mag-a-add ng pork. Ito na yung natin. Sabi niya, ay, ito na. Good luck. Okay na, mag-a-add ako ng patis, guys. Mag-a-add din ako ng pepper. Konting pepper. Hindi pa ako nagbibihis. Tapos, lagyan natin to ng tubig. I don't think magugustuhan to ni Dan. May sardinas na. May patis pa. Good luck. Luto na siya, guys. Sobrang dali lang niya. Tapos, I don't think magugustuhan siya ni Dan. Kasi mabaho. You can't eat this. So, ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. Hindi naman yan pasta. You don't like the smell?
So disgusting. I can't.
Is it really that
Oh,
bad?
it's horrible.
me. Is it really bad? Oh. I'll cook you eggs.
I'll cook eggs.
You will cook eggs?
Yeah.
You sure? Nakaka-guilty naman to. Sus, dinalawa ko pa naman, guys. So, diba, isang sardinas lang nilagay ko. Nilagyan ko ng isa pa kasi sabi ko lang, konti naman ito, eh. Does it smell really bad?
It smells really bad.
Really bad?
The smell is worse than the taste.
So, I can't bring that to work tomorrow then.
Yes, you can.
I can?
Yeah.
You said it smells really bad.
Bring it to work.
Guys, sarap na sarap ako sa ulam ko. Tapos si Dan, nagluluto ng egg. Ayaw niya sa ulam na niluto natin. Kawawa naman si Danny Boy, uy. Pasensya naman, babe. Hindi ko naisip, uy. Busog pa rin yan after ng egg niya. What will you have with your egg? Toast?
Soy sauce.
Egg and rice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That's good, babe.
Yeah.
Yummers pa rin yung ulam mo. Pero mas yummers yung ulam natin. Yan. Kumakain ba kayo nito? Tapos na tayo kumain, guys. Tatanggalin ko lang yung makeup ko. Tapos mag-shave din ako, guys. Kasi magpapaano tayo bukas. Magpapa-laser. Yung ginagamit ko na pang shave is ito pala. Yung, ano ba, basa din? Brown? Parang may nag-correct ata sa akin no, na yung basa daw dyan brown. Meron siyang iba-ibang heads. Ito yung pang-shaving niya na head. And then, meron din siyang pang-epilate. Buti na lang, meron siyang iba-ibang heads, guys. Kasi, binili ko to tapos siguro, I think, a month or 2 after nag-start ako magpa-laser. So, hindi ko na nagagamit yung epilator niya. Kasi, hindi ka pwede mag-epilate, diba? Kapag, nagpapa-laser. Yung ano ko, guys, yung leki-leki ko, okay na okay pa. Siguro, mga ano na to, ilang ano na ba to? Lagpas 1 buwan na. Kasi, matagal na ako nagpapa-laser. So, last time na chinek niya, sabi niya, hindi na talaga siya like tumutubo. So, wala. Hindi ako nag-shave since the last time na nagpa-laser ako. So, more than a month na ako hindi nag-shave. Meron siya, kung makikita mo talaga, kung titignan mo talaga siya closely, meron siyang sobrang nipis. Mahaba na siya, guys, kasi nga hindi ako nag-shave. Pero manipis siya na parang puti, na hindi mo na siya mapapansin. Wala. Hindi mo na talaga siya makikita. Yeah, kung malayuan, hindi mo siya makita. Kung close up lang, makikita mo na may mga mahahabang buhok, pero ano siya, hindi siya itim na buhok. Like, see, wala kayong makikita ng itim na buhok kasi wala na siya. Ang tagal ko naka-decide na ipaano to yung akin kasi nahihiya ako. Pero, yeah, once maano nyo na, wala talaga. Hindi nila, well, sa pinupuntahan ko, hindi nila pinapa-feel na, hala, dapat ka ma-embarrass. Wala talaga. And isipin nyo lang, ha, kung kayo, you're thinking about doing it, isipin nyo lang na, yan yung trabaho nila. And sa dami na na-encounter nilang ganyan araw-araw, like sa dami araw-araw, hindi nila maalala yung sa inyo. Kasi ako talaga nung una talaga sinasabi ko, my gosh, ayoko talaga kasi nahihiya talaga ako ng bonggang-bongga. Sabi ni Dan, sa dami ba naman ang aanuhin? Like sa'yo pa talaga. Like hindi naman nila ibabash yung ano mo. Anyway, shave lang ako, guys, kasi mag-edit pa ako ng video. Guys, katatapos ko lang mag-edit ng isang video. Now, I will edit one more. Hindi ko sure kung matatapos ko siya, but I'll do my best. Anyway, yun na yung vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Then, not forget, be goodbye. Good night. Mwah.